Hello! Good day! Dara! Dara kay Dara! Sika wallet! Hi! Sika wallet! Ang wallet na maswerte! Hi Dara! What's this? What's the fable for today? Hercules and the Wagoner. Hercules and the Wagoner. Okay. Oh, bakit? Say ka, nagising ka? Ha? At chika naman, ganda ng mata yan. Ay, si Dorothy, kay Daran. Kay Daran. Habo, nagalaw-galaw ko yung tenga niya, oh. Habo, nag-queen, ano? Ano pinapakinggan mo, Dara? Ano? Hercules and the Wagoner. There was once a wagoner who was driving a cart with a heavy load. It had been raining and the road was muddy. The horse heaved the cart along, and the wagoner guided him onto the firmest parts of the road. Despite this, the wheels sank in the mud. Wah! The wagoner set his shoulder to the cart and urged the horse forwards, but the more they heaved, the deeper the wheels sank. So the wagoner prayed to the ancient hero Hercules, who was famous for his great strength. "Hercules, please help me," he cried. "You called?" came a booming voice. The wagoner spun round to see a giant of a man with a lion skin wrapped round his shoulders. Hercules, for it was he, said, "Don't just stand there. I'm not going to do it for you. Set your shoulder to the wheel for one more push, and this time I'll help." Fate helps those who help themselves. Sika! Sika! Beauty naman. Nahihiya sa camera kung si Seika. Alam niyang binibidyohan siya. Hi, Seika. Seika! Seika! Buti tumitingin ka, tinawag pangalan mo. Pero ayaw mong mabidyohan. Ano, shy ka? Ganda-ganda mo naman eh. Oh, Seika wallet. Ganda ng Seika, oh. Ganda. sabay tago. Ikaw, Dara. Kay Daran. Dara. Asa ng magandang mata? Asa ng magandang mata? Asa ng magandang mata? Sika wallet. Beauty naman talaga. O yan na. Bye-bye viewers. Time is up. Reading the fable for today. Bye-bye viewers. See you at the next vlog. Bye-bye Dara and Seika. Bye-bye. Hercules and the Wagoner. Bye-bye.